Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to do pasta pesto. Yes, it's pasta pesto with our fish. Yes, all you need is pesto, 2 or 4 or 6 depending on what you want. Then we have our pasta. You can choose any kind of pasta you want, but I would recommend something else, the open one, not the closed one. So the open pasta. Then I'm cooking my water. I'll call it water from Uganda. Yeah, you cook. So I'm going to cook this there. So guess what I'm doing? I have my fish down here. This is called lax in Swedish, which is salmon in English. So I'm grilling that. Then let's go. So put your water. When your water is ready, put in the desirable pasta. As you see here, 1.5 and then each was 500 grams. So I put 1.5 because it was dinner and lunch. So you had dinner and then you have to save for lunch. Then let it cook till desirable. So don't forget the salt. Get your salt. So I think they are ready. Yes, they are. Yeah. Now we're going to remove them and remove the water, and then we do the next process, right? And our fish is as well ready. Remove the water, and now we're going to use butter in the beginning to start with. This is the kind of butter I use. Not too much, and then you stir it. Right. You remove from the heat. You get your fish. So this is our fish. You get this, and you put it into small pieces. Small pieces. I forgot to tell you that you can choose to use the fresh fish or the frozen one. But what you have to remember that the frozen fish is cheaper than the fresh one, fresh one. Because less is not what you want. This is how it is. Then I'm going to take this and put here. But before I do that, I'm going to get my pesto, which I'm going to use these two, the same size. Open. Open. So let's see. Add both. So there we go, and then we get our fish. This, and we put here. Continue until when it's done, and then stir. Mix everything. You mix. Don't forget the cooking cream. I use the cooking cream to clean my pesto. Just like that. You don't need too much. As you're doing this, you can take it off the heat so that it does not burn. Then afterwards, you can put back on the heat and then continue. And then you continue to mix. Yes. If you hear the noise, it's my son crying as I'm doing the food and he's with the daddy. Because it's only me who can do this kind of food. So, yes. So our dinner is almost ready. 2 to 3 minutes. You let it warm. 3 to 2 minutes. And then it's good to go. As you see, this is the fish. It's in there. In Swedish called lax. Yeah, lax, and salmon it's called in English. Yeah, so you continue mixing until when you are ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, share it, leave a comment if you tried it, and tell me what you want to test next time so we can try something new. Yes, have a blessed day, stay safe wherever you are. Thank you for tuning in, and we love you all. Bye.